Recording is on.
Community meeting today. Thanks for joining in, everybody. So I will be putting this video on YouTube, and we obviously have a code of conduct, as you can imagine. So be nice to each other. And what else? I am trying to reach the notes, but if you have any updates, would you want to start? Like Gustavo, for example.
Yeah, I actually have updates from last community meeting. One of the points that we mentioned is that the need for a migration script between CAS to SO that Kubernetes external secrets to external secrets operator. It's something that would help this project to leverage more and more users. And it's something that is almost done. I'm starting already some tests with Google Cloud and AWS. So it's something that, at least for these two providers, we will have something to be used very soon. We still have work to do with the other providers, but something that we can start to roll out, even with the help of the community itself. It's something that's going on very nice.
All right, that's great. That's great. So we also had another meeting this week. We tried to understand how the newcomers could be joining in the project, and what type of issues they could just start. So from me, with Ansel, I was already assigned to that ticket, but
we lost you, Sevi.
okay.
Now we can hear you.
Okay, can you take over, Gustavo? Because I guess I might not find find a solution today.
So we had some internal meetings to figure out what other parts we can have from help to this project besides the community help we already have. We are starting a new action to have external secrets operator as well in Operator Hub. So it's something that Sevi and also, that's not in this meeting, are going to handle the next few weeks. We have also some newcomers here in this session. So if you guys want to present yourselves, I'll let you talk. It's optional.
I can present myself. I'm Sebastián from also Container Solutions, work in our previous solution and looking forward to start working again on something, maybe with a few bug fixes at the beginning, maybe the test. I don't know, I'll go through the issues and see what I can pick up. I got interested in what you're doing, Gustavo. Maybe we can work on Azure on that. We'll discuss that later on.
Sure, any help is appreciated. This task, it seemed to be like a little one, but it's actually harder than we thought at first. Other point that we need to pass on, we discussed that we needed a new release last community meeting, basically because we had some security issues that we needed to address. Now this patch has been released. It's release version 0.3.6. Lucas did that, I think, a week ago or something. And with this release, we addressed it. I need to recall the issue, but it was a kind of important one. And right now we're planning on developing the things we need for the Operator Hub. That will probably make some changes to the code base, some formats and some stuff like that. That should get a new release as well. And we're also in a task force to approve some PRs that were open by the Hacktoberfest community. We have a lot of code smell fixes there, and something that we're going to address as well in this coming weeks. I think these are the main points that we needed to address here. So if anyone wants to address another point that's not open here. Oh yeah, also, Lucas and Serdar also did a configuration change for their Sonar Cloud. It was also an open issue that we had in the last community meeting. This thing is already okay from what I understood. So now we only need to go for the code smells. So anyone wants to add another thing?
Okay. Good point here. From Container Solutions also. Myself and Opeyemi will be working on the code smells for this week and next week, I guess. We couldn't get Lucas to get us show us how to go about it, at least for the first one. If anyone is willing to
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I can pair with you. I also never did that, but I got some knowledge of the code base, not voluntarily. So I can try to help you out. We try with 4 hands, try to figure out how we can go on these code smells and pass through all the tests and so on. Well, I guess these points were the main points were talked. If no one needs to address another thing here, I think we can close up this meeting. So Sevi, I think you need to stop the recording because you're the one that began.